Welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So my buddy gave me this weed whacker. Anyway, he said he was having problems wouldn't start and stuff like that. So basically I just took the spark plug out, cleaned it up a bit. It seems to start now, but guys, you got to remember there's probably three main components that you want to check right away if something like this isn't working. Same on a lawnmower. Spark plug, number one, if it's not starting. Make sure you got some fresh fuel in there. My father-in-law, went over his house, his lawnmower wasn't working, checked the spark plug looked good, but he just had some old fuel in there, and that's all it needed to get started. So this one, it seems like the spark plug, it's got some old fuel in it now. I'm going to put some new stuff in it, see if that helps it out a bit. And your air filter. So on this one, the air filter is right here. Just pull that off and just check your filter. Make sure it's not like full of oil and dirt and stuff. If it is, just take it out, give it a rinse, squeeze it out, clean it up, and throw it back in, or just buy a new one. But just for the purpose of trying to get it running, that's what you do. So I'm just gonna give it a quick start here. So it's on start. There it is. For this one, so it was running all by its own on its own there. I didn't have to keep feeding it gas. On this one, the hold, have to hold that up, and that kills the motor. So yeah, I'm gonna probably throw some new gas in it, and should probably run 100% tip-top shape, no issues. And also have to put some cutters on the end there, that twine. So that's all. This one works. Basically, the spark plug again was just really clogged up and dirty. I just took it out, hit it with a wire brush, just a copper wire brush, so it's pretty gentle on it. But I'll probably have to replace that spark plug sometime soon. Well, that's all you have to do. Same with lawnmowers. If your lawnmower doesn't start, just check that spark plug if it looks a little dirty, all burnt up and stuff. If you have a wire brush, copper wire brush, hit it with that real quick, see if that spend about a couple minutes on that, and if it cleans it up, then I would suggest yeah, if it works, then you're good to go. If it doesn't, just buy a new spark plug. Always remember to put fresh fuel in your machine, either your lawnmower or your weed whacker. Yeah, so hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell, because then you'll be able to see some of my new videos. Thanks for watching.